So let's make together this homemade butter using cream from the cream that you get from the milk once umechemsha. It's so easy. The only thing you need is that cream. Look at how spreadable it is. So let me show you how to make it. Since I know you're going to be very curious on the quantity and the amount of cream I use or milk I use, normally I buy milk thrice a week. So every time I boil the milk, I save the cream once it has cooled down. Then within about a month, that is around 4 weeks, it is enough for me to whip it up. So I'm using my stand mixer. I put the cream in the stand mixer and just start whipping with whisk attachment. You whip it up till it looks like this. This is basically butter, and you only have one more step to go so that you can finally have that spreadable butter to use on your toast. Then after that, you need ice cold water. So I'm placing some ice cubes in a bowl, then adding in water and trying to form that butter using my hands. Always make sure your hands are clean. You form till it forms a lump. Then I will kind of rinse it, call it a rinse. And I always save that water to use it for baking. Oh, and before I forget, whenever you're using your stand mixer and doing this process, always cover it with the seal that it comes with, or even a towel to avoid splatters around your kitchen. I then transferred it into a Tupperware container, which is fridge safe, because I'm gonna keep this butter in the fridge. So now the final thing after you make your butter is just salting it. Just a little salt goes a long way. Sea salt is best, or pink salt. I'm using pink salt. We salt it a little together. Also, salt acts as a preservative, so for it to stay fresher for longer. Put it in your favorite container, any that you have on hand. I put it in my fridge and freezer safe container, although I'll put it in the fridge for it to be consumed. This is around 370-80 as you saw in gram, and that's about it. Easy way to make butter at home. Look at how spreadable it is. And remember, whenever you're making it, use clean hands, use everything. Make sure everything is well cleaned. You'll be good to go. Ready to be enjoyed. I hope this convinces you to make butter at home. If you normally buy fresh milk from the cow, once you boil, skim off the cream, put in a freezer safe container. Kifika kiwango fulani, you will know that kiwango you can always whip it up and get your butter.